Okay, this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Basically, that way you don't have to carry another remote control with the keychain. Somebody tries to break the window, bust off the keyhole, bust off the lug nut locks, the alarm will fire off. So yeah, we incorporated the shock sensor to it. So I'll give you a little tour right now. We gotta wait for that little lock to start flashing in the dash because it has a little delay from factory. Okay, I think it's ready right now. So if somebody tries to bust up these lug nut locks, the alarm will fire off. Of course, it will protect the whole car from bumper to bumper, all the windows. This is the shock sensor add-on on this Nissan Rogue. Thank you for watching this video.